back to American Dream Mansions, where we explore the world's most beautiful, inspiring, and unforgettable homes. Today, we're stepping inside a truly one-of-a-kind Scandinavian-inspired family home located in the heart of Ireland. What makes this property extraordinary is not just its calm Nordic design or breathtaking natural surroundings, but the fact that it sits right beside Ireland's only bean-to-bar chocolate factory. This is a home where creativity, craftsmanship, and family life come together in perfect harmony. As we arrive, the exterior immediately sets the tone. Designed in a soft palette of cream, gray, and natural green, the home blends effortlessly into the surrounding landscape. Clean architectural lines, warm wooden details, and expansive glass windows reflect a modern Scandinavian lodge style. From above, the drone view reveals how thoughtfully the house is positioned, embracing mountain views, greenery, and a peaceful rural setting. Stepping through the main entrance, we're welcomed into a light-filled foyer that feels calm and grounding. Natural materials take center stage here. Wood, stone, and soft neutral textures create a warm and timeless atmosphere. This home was designed to feel lived in, loved, and deeply connected to nature. Moving into the heart of the home, the open-plan living and dining area is where Scandinavian simplicity truly shines. The living room features a comfortable cream sofa, soft gray walls, and carefully chosen green accents through plants and textiles. Large windows flood the space with daylight, creating a bright yet cozy environment that feels perfect for both quiet family moments and entertaining guests. The TV lounge area is designed with comfort in mind. A clean, minimalist media wall keeps the space uncluttered, while layered lighting and warm textures add depth and softness. This is a room made for slowing down, watching movies, and enjoying time together. Flowing seamlessly into the kitchen, we see a beautiful balance of function and elegance. Cream cabinetry paired with gray stone countertops gives the kitchen a refined yet welcoming feel. Wooden shelving and subtle green accents bring warmth and personality, while the layout makes cooking and hosting effortless. This space isn't just designed to look good, it's built for everyday family life. The dining area continues the natural theme, centered around a solid wooden table that invites long conversations and shared meals. With views of the outdoors and soft natural light pouring in, this space captures the essence of Scandinavian living: simple, intentional, and connected. As we explore the private areas of the home, the bedrooms offer a sense of calm and retreat. The primary bedroom is serene and uncluttered, featuring cream bedding, gray walls, and gentle green accents. Large windows frame the landscape outside, making mornings feel peaceful and grounded. The bathroom carries a spa-like atmosphere, with soft gray tiles, warm wood finishes, and minimalist fixtures. Every detail is designed to feel soothing, practical, and timeless. In the children's room, we see playful creativity shine through. A simple indoor swing adds charm and personality, while maintaining the home's clean Scandinavian aesthetic. It's a space that encourages imagination while still feeling calm and organized. The home gym reflects the same thoughtful design language, offering a clean, bright environment with modern equipment and plenty of natural light, perfect for maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Stepping outside, the outdoor spaces feel just as intentional. A porch and garden area provide room to relax, breathe, and enjoy the surrounding nature. Nearby, the garage and outbuildings are seamlessly integrated into the overall design. And, finally, we arrive at the most unique part of this property, the chocolate factory. Designed with the same care and craftsmanship as the home, this working bean-to-bar chocolate studio reflects artisanal dedication and creativity. It's rare to see a home and production space coexist so beautifully, each enhancing the other rather than competing for attention. This property is more than just a house. It's a lifestyle, one rooted in craftsmanship, calm living, and thoughtful design. Thank you for joining American Dream Mansions on this unforgettable home tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you in the next extraordinary home.